I open my eyes. I open my eyes. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I stand on the floor. I stand on the floor. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I step into the bathroom. I step into the bathroom. I wash my face. I wash my face. I dry my face. I dry my face. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I pick up my toothbrush. I pick up my toothbrush. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I dry my hands. I dry my hands. I open the bathroom door. I open the bathroom door. I leave the bathroom. I leave the bathroom. I walk to my bedroom. I walk to my bedroom. I open my wardrobe. I open my wardrobe. I choose my clothes. I choose my clothes. I put on my shirt. I put on my shirt. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I look out the window. I look out the window. I walk into the kitchen. I walk into the kitchen. I open a cupboard. I open a cupboard. I take out a glass. I take out a glass. I pour some water. I pour some water. I drink the water. I drink the water. I put the glass in the sink. I put the glass in the sink. I open the fridge. I open the fridge. I take out some bread. I take out some bread. I slice the bread. I slice the bread. I eat my bread. I eat my bread. chew slowly. I chew slowly. I swallow my food. I swallow my food. I close the fridge. I close the fridge. I sit on a chair. I sit on a chair. I stand up again. I stand up again. I walk to the hallway. I walk to the hallway. I pick up my jacket. I pick up my jacket. I put on my jacket. I put on my jacket. I put on my trousers. I put on my trousers. I put on my socks. I put on my socks. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I open the front door. I open the front door. I step outside. I step outside. I lock the door. I lock the door. I walk down the street. I walk down the street. I breathe fresh air. I breathe fresh air. I look at the sky. I look at the sky. I cross the road. I cross the road. I wait at a traffic light. I wait at a traffic light. I smell fresh bread. I smell fresh bread. I continue to walk. I continue to walk. I sit at my desk. I sit at my desk. I write an email. I write an email. I read a document. I read a document. I take a short break. I take a short break. I leave my workplace. I leave my workplace. I walk towards the bus stop. I walk towards the bus stop. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. I look out the window. I look out the window. I watch the passing cars. I watch the passing cars. I see tall buildings. I see tall buildings. I get off the bus. I get off the bus. I walk along a park. I walk along a park. I sit on a bench. I sit on a bench. I rest my legs. I rest my legs. I close my eyes briefly. I close my eyes briefly. I stand up again. I stand up again. I stroll through the park. I stroll through the park. I watch the birds. I watch the birds. I listen to the wind. I listen to the wind. I leave the park. I leave the park. I walk back home. I walk back home. I unlock my door. I unlock my door. I enter my home. I enter my home. I take off my jacket. I take off my jacket. I hang up my jacket. I hang up my jacket. I walk into the living room. I walk into the living room. I open a window. I open a window. I sit on the sofa. I sit on the sofa. I relax my back. I relax my back. I pick up a newspaper. I pick up a newspaper. I turn a page. I turn a page. I put down the newspaper. I put down the newspaper. I go to the kitchen again. I go to the kitchen again. I wash an apple. I wash an apple. I bite into the apple. I bite into the apple. I enjoy the taste. I enjoy the taste. I leave the kitchen. I leave the kitchen. I sit at a table. I sit at a table. I open a book. I open a book. I read a page. I read a page. I close the book. I close the book. I place the book on a shelf. I place the book on a shelf. I stand up straight. I stand up straight. I stretch my neck. I stretch my neck. I walk into the dining room. I walk into the dining room. I set a plate on the table. I set a plate on the table. I pour some soup into the plate. I pour some soup into the plate. I taste the soup. I taste the soup. I finish my soup. I finish my soup.